Okay, so we're actually going to demonstrate how to actually use the Linux GovCac. So essentially you want to go to the Learn Linux for Work repository on GitHub, click on Linux GovCac, and you go ahead and grab the script. Now you click here, you can download it, you go through the process and actually get the script, but we'll go ahead and look at it locally. Okay, so I have it right here. So if you first downloaded it, go ahead and do chmod u plus x and then basically make it executable. Once it's executable, clear the screen, then sudo /linux govcac, enter. If you're air gapped, then you would go through the process. That means that you're not connected to the internet. If you are connected to the internet, click 2. If you have DoD certificates, you go ahead and enter the path to where it is, or if you do not, go ahead and click enter. It's going to go ahead and install everything, get everything running, and go ahead and close your browser so that way it can install the packages locally. Click enter. Go ahead and enter your smart card. Give it a couple seconds. I got a real old smart card reader here, but click enter. And then once you click enter, let me just make the screen a little bit bigger. Okay, take a couple seconds here. Once it detects your card, go ahead and type your PIN in and hit enter. It's going to verify that your PIN is actually working, that the card is working. If you type the PIN wrong, it'll give you an error message. But if you type the PIN successfully, then it'll go ahead and validate the card and tell you to remove your card. Click enter. Live long and prosper. That's it. And this is how you set up the CAC reader for your Google Chrome or Firefox, and this is the precursor to whatever you need to set up for the machine itself. And let's keep going.